Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kathal. Student, we will start the new chapter, Sources of Energy. As you know that energy is the capacity to do work, and you have read about the different sources of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy, sound energy, and their conversion of one form of energy into another. For each and every work, we need energy. So, energy is our capacity to do work. And energy is produced by the combustion of fuel. We will read about the different types of energy as wind energy. Wood is also a source of energy. Sun is a major source of energy. Nuclear energy. Coal, it is also a source of energy, and geothermal energy. These are the different forms of energy. How we can classify the energy into different forms? We classify the energy into different forms. The first one on the basis of their availability. On the basis of their availability, we divide the energy into two forms: renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy. You have already studied about these two forms, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are the sources of energy which can be reappear and replenish themselves, and non-renewable source of energy are the energy sources which cannot be replenished and reappear. The renewable sources of energy, wind energy, tidal energy, they can produce again and again. Once they are exhaust, they can produce again and again. They are the renewable source of energy. But firewood, diesel, charcoal, they cannot produce again and again. They are called non-renewable source of energy. On the second basis, on the basis of their occurrence, we classify the energy into two forms: natural sources and synthetic resources. Natural resources which are obtained from the nature, example solar energy and wind energy. And synthetic, man-made sources like cell and batteries. These are the man-made sources of energy. So we classify the energy on the basis of these two categories. First, on the availability, on the basis of their availability, and on the basis of their occurrence. Next, on the basis of their physical state. On the basis of their physical state, we classify the energy into three forms: solid, liquid and gas. The fuels which provide energy on combustion, they divide into three categories: solid, liquid and gaseous form. The solid fuels like coal, wood, charcoal, cow dung, cakes; liquid fuel, petrol, kerosene oil; and gaseous fuel like LPG and CNG. They are the different forms of energy on the basis of their physical state. These are also the example of the fuels of solid, liquid and gas. Solid: wood, lignite, coal, anthracite, charcoal, coke. Liquid: crude petroleum. These are the different types: fuel oil, diesel, gasoline, kerosene. Natural gas: producer, water gas, coal gas and biogas. These are the different forms of energy on the basis of their physical state. Wood is a very good source of energy. Wood is a renewable natural source because it is provided by the forest, so it is very good source of energy. The largest source of energy, combustion of wood gives energy into a large form. It is used in cooking and heating, steam engines, turbines to generate electricity. It produces carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide along with heat, and also leave ashes and residue after combustion. So there are other types of fuels which are used, which are called fossil fuels. The fossil fuels, they are formed from the fossils. The fossils, when the organic matter dead and decomposed matter buried deep inside the surface of earth for the long period of time, approximate for the hundred of million of years, they convert into the fossil fuel. These are non-renewable source of energy because they cannot be easily reformed and reappear. Example of fossil fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. The first fossil fuel is coal. Coal is one of the fuel that has been used for cooking food. It is readily combustible black rock or the brownish black sedimentary rock. It is formed by dead and decomposition of plant and animals organic matter when they buried deep into the earth. Coal is one of the fuel used for cooking food. It is formed by the decomposition of organic matter. Coal is formed and used in the as a large source of energy for the generation of electricity. The process of formation of coal from dead plant and matter is called carbonization. Carbonization is the process of conversion of dead plant material into coal. So this process leads to the various steps in which the coal is converted into various stages. Coal is the primary solid fuel which occur in nature, is very impure form of carbon. It is fossil fuel. Wood, peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite are the different stages in the conversion of wood to coal. Carbon content is highest in anthracite coal. These are the categories of the coal. These are the different types of coal on the basis of the percentage of carbon, moisture and the other element present in them. These are the types of the coal: peat, lignite, subbituminous coal and anthracite coal, and the percentage of carbon present in them. Peat contain very less amount of carbon, approximate 40%. The percentage is given, that is in the approximate number. Lignite has approximate 60% of carbon. These number can be changed into the various form of the types of availability of the carbon.